So today I'll be swapping the front wing on my 660 factory for the standard black version, and I'll be taking you guys along to show you the step-by-step process. As you can see, underneath the wing there are 3 bolts. There is one centre, one to the left and one to the right, and we'll be removing those bolts using a 4mm Allen key. So once you've got the 4 bolts out, it just pulls forward and out, just like that. And then to refit, I'll be refitting this black one, but you just line it up like so. So we line this portion up with this front nose, and then we make sure we get these tabs through this hole here on both sides. And once we've done that, push it forward, make sure it clips both sides, then we reinstall the screws. And I like to make sure they're nice and snug with an Allen key, so I don't strip the threads. They don't need to be super tight. And that's the job done.